Cyril Ramaphosa campaigned to be the ANC president in 2017. He made and those who are in his slate, they campaigned under this clean governance, right? Under the so-called clean governance as the good guys against the bad guys. But now the revelations that are coming to the fore now points to the contrary. Points to the contrary of what the ticket that is the so-called clean governance ticket that Ramaphosa and his people campaigned about, including people like Sezo Mchunu, because of course you know Sezo Mchunu was a key. He remains a key cog in the Cyril Ramaphosa's machinery. More so now that he's a minister of police, then must also remember things like the Phala scandal and all of that, you see. So this is it's a rapidly unfolding and highly sensitive situation right now in South Africa, right? With significant implications for the country, right? Serious implications for the country's fight